right here, and if you could just put it wherever, just all over, please. I'm so sensitive.
Okay.
Oh, it's cold.
It's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be cold. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I don't know where Blake ran off to. Oh, shoot, you got a lot on there.
Yeah. He said he had sensitive skin.
I do have very sensitive skin.
I think she needs some on her arms. Don't you think she needs some on her arms?
Yeah.
Neck and shoulders and stuff too. I just don't want weird splotches.
Yeah. Yep, get that rubbed in. Excellent. That's good. I feel like does she need some more like right here, like up top?
Yeah, probably.
I told you, Kate, we should have gotten the spray kind.
Yeah, well, you can't always get what you want. Honestly, yeah, just a little more right there. Yeah.
Like here though. I don't want to burn on my shoulders.
Okay. Oh, I don't think you're gonna burn. What do you guys think? Do you think she's gonna burn?
No.
Yeah.
Angelina, get the right one.
Yeah, get that right one. Great.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, they're so helpful.
Your mom raised you up right.
Okay, great.
It's just sunscreen.
Yeah, give the sunscreen back. Good idea. Good idea. Get the seagulls.
God, fire ants.